On our first morning in Sofia, we got our shoes ready to go for a walk around town. And as tradition demands, we stopped by some neighbors' houses and entered the Obi compound of Ezenwa's family, where he came across a trap, and of course he had to show off his skills, as onye dinta he is. We were all just wondering if he really knows what he's doing.
Ezenwa, Brutus will enter there after you. Will you cook Brutus? So you still know how to do this.
Ik vind dat wel een stille.
Sai kwa kago. Suka kwa kago.
Man, wat je dan? Yes.
Zou je iets met de vingers hebben?
Dat is niet zo.
Get je on way.
Laat je komen.
Honestly, he tried. A village man will always remain a village man. But he shouldn't try this trap at home with Brutus.
Food is ready.
These kids still have many things to learn from their dad.